12, I got 12 V's. Got bottles, got. I'm all the way up. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need.
Enugu, how na day? How far now? But I don't try. I said I don't do it since 3 o'clock. But no be smart, you know. But I said at church, I don't complain. Say the father to talk too much. But since now show, I just sit down. I say some people been stand for tea for like 4-5 hours. I know the problem. This church matter, eh? You know, say men, if as this rain fall so, like say now morning rain fall like this, eh? They go cancel church. Men, especially men, oh rain they fall. Even a small drizzle, oh they fall. I know if you go church. But if heavy rain they fall, thunder they strike, babe, we man they pursue sins. Just call and say, hi, baby. Hello, hi. I'm feeling some type of way. Do you want to come over? The speed where the man go use enter. Even if the rain, they fall, thunder, they strike, you they dodge the thunder. Poor behavior. May God no punish us one day. But one thing we say I like Christians for. Most of us are Christians here, right? No, I like Christians. We don't have issues. We don't get problem. You don't go ever hear say somebody do something about Pope. We go just go riot. Abi? It's impossible. Try and do drawing of Muhammad. They kill you. That's why I love Christians. We did our lane. And I like it. So when they see all these guys, they say they go blow bomb. You wear bomb. You go watch Insta blog. You go read Insta blog. You go see person. 2 people, their body don't scatter. Then wear bomb. So now man like you will tell you to wear bomb, to go kill yourself. You can't wear ram, can't go die. Why him no wear ram? Think now, why him no fit go bombing? Say why be say na you? You can't wear ram, can't go. And I wonder that Muhammad come here, take this bomb and go blow. Hey. Me, I be Christian though. I love God die. I never see any Christian man if he tell me my way knockout. Bomb too far, knockout. Even if now one knockout, I no carry. You can't tell me make I wear bomb. Even Pope, no fit tell me make I wear bomb. I ain't want you to tell me. No say Pope the talking way. Basket mouth, the Lord told me to tell you to kill yourself for the world. I go say Pope, own that thing. May God tell me by himself. Amen. Did they grace me? Kill myself for where? But I see all these things they happen. Now things don't they happen for this world to the point where we say now whistle blowers don't fool everywhere. Whistle blow. But all this money when they talk about $48 million, abi now small money now. The people wait thief they never they blow whistle for themselves. Those ones they don't feel blow whistle for themselves because the money too much now trumpet or saxophone like Desiani now. So that one orchestra. They will even get choir master. Oh, Desiani. 25 billion. Dollars, pounds. Desiani. This country, eh? That die with you. And you go call they tell you recession, day Nigeria, recession. This one happened, that one. But guess what? If you go club for Lagos, you go see men, they pop champagne under this recession. Who did they like give? Say recession day. How? Man go come day. I enter Quillox the other day. People day, some men day, then buy 6 bottles of Dom Perignon. Each one was 480,000 naira. And they drink. You go drink Congo Peace. You go drink of 480,000 naira. Can't carry this your same prick. Go piss and come out. Hey! Okwacha bride, Igbo boy. I buy 480 self too much. If I buy normal Moe Rosé for 50,000 naira, you come follow me drink. You don't go piss. So me, if I buy Dom P for 480,000 as I drink finish 2 weeks, that's how I go home my bladder. You will stay there. They craze. People will not get our priorities right for this country. People suppose they hustle better hustle and they drag jollof rice. Which kind of country will they don't tire me. That's what the other day my wife come tell me, say, baby, let us go out. I say, now, this period, no day house. She said, no, baby, you're always traveling. Weekends you're out. We don't spend time together. And I say, okay, where you want to go? And she said, go Quillox. She don't even call better, cheap place. He said, Quillox. Quillox, where he say, normal Hennessy, na 35,000. Hey! I said, okay, no problem. She said, make me, her, Bobby and Bobby wife go together. Now they don't be four. I can't calculate. And that day, the money where they my mind to spend now 20,000. I know they send though. Who they form big Bob? No, 20K max. Now I say, babe, I have only 20,000 naira. If you come out, this 20K, we must manage them. She said, okay, no problem. No champagne, nothing. You and Christabel now go drink cocktail. Cocktail now 3,005. When I drink 2. That is 14,000 naira. Abi? Me and Bobby we go drink one bottle of beer, 2K. Abi? So the remaining 2K, 2,000 naira change, we go use and settle those bouncers. We don't plan finish. We enter club. My wife and Christabel, they one side. We don't tell them order cocktail. Me and Bobby, they the bar, they drink beer, they gossip. The next thing, after 10 minutes, now I see 2 bottles of rosé with lights. They go. And they look. They go my wife's then table. I look Bobby, now you order. I say no. Not be me order. And my wife stubborn where she go say no, I don't want to. She go do it. At the bottle they go there. I say what? Now vex. So as me and Bobby there, now vex. Come they walk out, they go meet my wife. Now my wife just see me. She just say, baby. Is that guy over there that bought the champagne? Now just turn. Me, I live there. After an amigo carry and go house. Me and Bobby did they nurse our beer. My wife did there, they drink champagne. Get where we drink food because only one bottle we fit drink. We go carry glass, straw, go there, they dance. Sets, you go post small, we go dance. Are you mad? I don't get time, oh. Other people they perform. See all this is why they wear so. I no plan to. Now whiskey they. Bonner boy. Now they motivate because those boys they won't come out us from industry. I say I go die here. This hair I need the cotton. This I go kill myself. They craze. They will come just do P Square. Go do ho ha ha 10 million naira. Now I go they crack joke kill myself. Man, not talk the amount when they pay me before people go just think say. But you know when you think of those kind of things, you can't think. So like me personally, when I get strip clubs for Enugu, I don't get. How now they miss so? If you come Lagos, strip clubs don't play per church. And the strippers where they there, they don't even they try safe. The strippers, like for Yankee, where you see strippers, their own different. Our own another level. Now I can't go Yankee one time, they say go strip club. Now go on strip club for Atlanta. One babe just come if you see body like like milk. It's skin. She say each dance now $20. I calculate the exchange rate 10,000 naira. Not bad. She give me lap dance. I can't come Nigeria. I go one strip club. Now as I enter, one fine girl just come. Say she won't give me lap dance. I say how much? She say 50,000. I can't calculate her. 50,000 naira. If I add 30,000, John, I don't buy one plasma TV. So this girl won't dance plasma TV. Come out from my body so. Now I say, make she know what. She say, no, you're gonna enjoy it. I say, And songs now don't they reduce. Those songs before they reach 6 minutes. Now songs are like 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Now I can calculate. So 50K for 3 minutes, 10 seconds. She said, oh, come on, basket, you're a big boy. You can pay for it. I say, I say, no problem, let's do it. Now I send text. You know, I know the DJ. Now I send text, give DJ. Oh boy, play fella. Fela's song now 1 hour 47 minutes. That is the shortest song. Oh. The girl don't know what happen. And as the music first ends, the one way she won't dance to me, she just won't start. She just sets. The next thing she hear, boom 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 boom, boom boom boom, boom 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 boom bam bam, boom 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 boom, boom boom bam bam, boom 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 boom, boom boom bam bam, boom 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 boom. And Fela need to talk. Now boom 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 boom, boom 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 boom. 30 minutes. Boom 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 bararam boom 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 bararam boom bang bang boom boom boom. She don't sweat. Boom 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 bang bang. And Fela go come. You go do like say won't end the song. You come there happy. The song go start again. That's it. Boom bang bang boom 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 boom. Hey! Bah! She just want to go. Ajikiji, 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 ajikiji. Boom, 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 boom. After 1 hour, when I say plus, I bet you pay me 5K. 5K. Wish, carry your wallet go. The grace, your father. Thank you. I know all these things when they happen. All these, I don't know when they happen here. All those, I'm not getting anything against them. Oh, no say anything we will talk now. They carry and say basketball talk. Say, you see, them ban gay for Nigeria. Say if you do gay, 14 years. I've never seen they talk 14 years. But Mona think where that thing, na law, na punishment. Gay person you send and go prison for 14 years. What did they do for prison? Now honeymoon you send them go so. That's why they just sentence them. They didn't send. You are sentenced to 14 years. Oh my God, are you serious? Where's my roommate? They don't send. Now so I can't do my lane because I can't notice one thing. No say they don't talk anything about lesbians. No, only men. You know why? Men like lesbians. Think if you date bar now, 2 guys come in, they say those guys they be gay. Guy goes, men no near here, men no near, then near go post bottle for the head, they decrease. But those same 2 guys make 2 girls walk out enter and say, well, those girls are lesbian. Not lie. You mean bring them come out, bring them come out. We like lesbians. You know why? Because lesbians they're more sensual. If you don't listen to lesbians, when they no. Hey. It is sweet. What if they hear they make you happy? You go there. That's why people they like her. Within 2 men, 2 grown men, won't do for inside room. We go turn person on. Chukudi rub my belly for my chest, That's why them ban them now. 14 years. I can't go day my lane a day, JJ. Somebody just coming from Abuja. Hi, is this basketball? I say yes. We want to do a gig and we want you to MC. And my manager just tell me, say, man, the next person will call you, charge them 10 million. They might pay. Now I say, Now I say 10 million. P-square they charge them now. So what the hell? 10 million. Now the guy say, does that include flights and accommodation? I say, they won't pay. I say, yes, it does. Say, okay, send me your account number. Now I send them account. True. 7 million up front. That's how I said, don't be joking. I shock. For my mind, I say, so basket, you don't knock 10 million for joke. Then go die. And so I spread, fly, go Abuja, go to the event. As I reach the event, my mind no just notice anything. The party now men full inside. Men. But within my mind now 10 million. I didn't know they see anybody. I know said. Now I perform, crack joke, then laugh, then happy. I come down. The guy say, man, great performance, man. Are you going to stay for the after party? I say, yes. My balance 3 million and I'm a collector. Now the guy say, what about the balance? Yeah, I got your balance. Don't worry about midnight. Don't reach so. They don't dance. Men are men. So they dance.
Me no notice. Within my mind now, 10 million, 10 million, 10 million. Now I come and say, oh, Pastor, you're not dancing. Why are you not dancing? I don't notice the movement. Notice that they move. Gay guys can't do anything. Who are you? You can't do anything. You are a fool. Are you mad? You decrease. Idiot. So those gay guys, they don't follow me, they play. You got a beautiful hair. My mind no good here. 10 million. 10 million. That's all. I can't tell the guy, say, bros, how far? I'm done, man. I want to go back to my hotel room. The guy say, you know what? I can't give you 3 million naira cash. If something happens, I'm going to be held responsible. You know what's going to happen? Room here in the hotel, Transcorp Hilton is overbooked, but you can sleep in my room. My mind no good here. Within my mind now, 10 million. 10 million. Now I say, okay, no problem. I never say a Transcorp Hilton before now. I enjoy. The guy, they stay for sweet. As I enter the room be like cake. Now I enter. The guy named now Eric. Tall guy. Fine boy. 6-pack full all in. 6-pack there in chest. They crazy. We see body. Not beside they admire him, but I be man, I must see him now. Now the guy enter, change, where only boxers come outside. My mind no even go there. Within my mind now, 10 million. 10 million. Hey! Now myself, mumu, can't remove clothes. I know if you wear suit, sleep now. Now remove trouser, remove shirt. Only singlet and boxers. Remove shoe, everything. Now I sleep. I dey sleep for the right side of the bed. And so I can't day. Mumu, I set, give him. Me and him talk. Later I say, man, I'm sleepy. I want to sleep. This is around like 2 a.m. Now I sleep. For my dream, at their house, my wife can't come from back, can't hold me. So me thinking say at their house because I don't tire, I can't lean, go back. Now when something was strong can't touch my buttocks, now I wake up. Next time the guy hand don't rub, cover my body. Now look am, see the guy muzzle at the feet, iron for my ash and a boxers I wear. That time now, no, see all the men where they might tell you something. It gets situation where you will find yourself, the woman in you. Come outside. That day now I respect women within this world. Woman, come aside from me. Now look the guy. I say, Eric. Guys, come over. No, say when man want to do something, their voice is deep for room. Come over, what's wrong with you? Come on, just do that. Come on, just do that. Now I say, Eric, what are you doing? I don't talk like woman. She say, oh, just run, just relax. Someone just. Now the guy drag me, go inside. Now I say, no, Eric. He dragged me going inside. I say, no, Eric. He dragged me again. Me now, because of the movement, the thing don't be strong more. Now I could just say, no judge me. Now I say, what I want to do. Now look and say, Eric, I think you are moving too fast. Another woman don't come aside. This one, the guy don't squeeze me. I don't look and say, nothing will if you do. Now I look and say, Eric, I'm on my period. No judge me, no judge me. Now so life be. When you find yourself in that kind of situation, my brother, you know go no. Don't be smart, you know. True story, oh, not be joke. Oh. I don't suffer small for this life, oh. The kind of situations where I don't find myself. Then you can't get one. I want to tell you some kind of story. The one way happen, way shock me past. Now true story at the talk so more. I'm not be joke. I go on event for Bini wedding. Finish wedding, the hotel where they put us. Now one church person get the hotel. So the hotel they need to smoke inside. So those days that they smoke, no big bow, normal cigar. Those days, wanna no judge me. No say, but I think they say, person they smoke. Igbo self. I don't know why would people they really frown at Igbo. Igbo no bad. Igbo no be bad thing. Think people waste drink, now he bad because you go drink drunk, kill person, kill yourself. Igbo, when person smoke, now only 5 things they happen. You go high, then you go start to laugh for no reason. Laugh. Anything they do, you go laugh. They suppose legalize Igbo for this country because this our government. Not only Igbo fit make us no look them. And they tell you, so Igbo they make person laugh. Igbo they make person they hard working. If you smoke the right type of Igbo, you feel sweep the whole of Enugu. Number 3, Igbo they make man they oh boy, 2 hours. You did here. Then I fly to Lagos and back. 4th one, Igbo they make you think where. The 5th one, Igbo they make person. Who's the 5th one? I don't forget. Now go no. So now, waiting they bad for those 5 things. Igbo said, now not say Igbo they since Garden of Eden till now. Since where God creates heaven and earth. Igbo they earth. Who creates Igbo? Think am. I know that I don't quiet now. Think am. Food for thought. Where Igbo come? Igbo na plant. Igbo don't day since Jesus Christ and time. I don't know who discovered them, but I bet you say maybe like Cain and Abel or Abraham, one of those people. They know they cultivate bush, then burn them, the things smoke, then start to laugh, come they find the things. Say, what thing we born that time? We make us they laugh up and down. Come burn the bond. Because oh, this one is bitter leaf. No, this one is ugu. No. I bet you say Judas smoke Igbo. The only person who smoke Igbo fit get mind say Jesus Christ. Oh boy, the blind say go say Papi Joe. I know people that just say that maybe I had a blasphemous talk. No, everything concern me and Judas. Now, but when you go punish me now, I can't go forbid, I can't go die, can't go hair fired. Can't see Judas. Come here. Now you they say, I smoke it, Google said Jesus. My eye go clear. Anyway, what time did they talk before, sir? So the hotel, as we enter the hotel, I can't enter the restaurant. As I eat, one guy order fried rice, chicken, and salad. As he just the chop, the next thing, what? Everybody shocked. What? Sir, what's the problem? Who is the manager of this hotel? Who is the manager of this hotel? And they go call the manager, call. Sir, what's the problem, sir? Are you mad? You're asking about, there's a lot of problem. Look at this food. The manager look. What can you see? I say, I don't understand. Look at this food. What can you see? The manager say, I don't see anything. Look where. No be heavy this. The guy say, oh, I'm so sorry, sir. Bring me another plate of food. You're stupid. You want to kill me in this hotel? Poor hygiene. And they bring fresh food, give her. Guy chop, come out, enter room. Now down floor, he day, room 108. So the guy enter room, in babe, come. Mumu, you know, close window. He want lalo. So he go. There's no close window. Manager the worker for the backyard. Now I see lap on top bed, see somebody bury head. Now he did they look. What thing they happen? No man go see that kind of thing worker pass. No man, man, no form. If you see him, even if you be pastor self, you go on just look. But if he bless them, now they tell you. I see the guy can't look. The next thing, after like 1 minute, now the same guy we see one hair for rice, carry head, come up, clean sweat. And the guy look and say, eh. No be this guy. We see one hair for rice. Then they chop beer like this. Hey. The guy provoke, come outside. Me, I've been the smoke for outside. Guy come meet me, say, man. I say, sir, what's happened? No. I say, what's happened? Don't worry. After like 45 minutes, the idiot come outside. He said, won't smoke. I say, come outside. And the manager say, sir, excuse me, sir. Say, yes, what do you want? Sir, do you remember me? Yes, I remember. Are you not the one that wanted to kill me with hair in your eyes? I say, sir, that's the reason why I want to talk to you. Sir, I'm upset with you. What are you talking about? I am upset with you, sir. So, you come my restaurant, only one hair where you see you won't keep person. Only one hair where you see for my rice. No be beer, you just chop finish now. No be beer. Oh, guy, you go pay for that food, oh. You go pay for that food. The guy say, hey, shut up there. What do you know? Are you mad? Look, If I am eating rice, I am eating rice. If I see one baby in my rice, I will not pay. If I'm chopping baby, I am chopping baby. If I see one seed of rice in my baby, I will not pay. So what are you talking about then? But all these things why I don't talk so. I was talking about religion and everything. You know, saying that churches, Christians, you know, say we get churches past anything for this life, this country. Names of church don't finish now. Una know? You know, if you go CAC, go register name of church. No name they are available. Una know, Abi? Now, so I go CAC for Abuja, one other registered church. One pastor come register. Say, sir, can I go ahead of you? I say, go ahead. Now he say, one registered church. He say, what's the name of your church, sir? This Present House of God Ministry. Sir, it's not available. Okay. Check for Nebuchadnezzar Church of God Mission. Sir, it's not available. Okay. Check for House on the Rock on the Mountain of Fire Pentecostal Church of God. Sir, it's not available. Are you serious? Oh yeah. Check for Holy Ghost Mountain of Fire Church of God Mission and the House of Fellowship Women Affairs Ministry of the Pentecostal Church of God and all Jesus Christ disciples. Sir, it's not available. Are you serious? Okay. Check for Redeemed Church of the Fellowship of Jesus Christ and the Son of God and Mary Magdalene and other people in the Bible Church of God and a Pentecostal element of the spiritual realm of the Holy Ghost and the Mountain of Fire, Water and Holy Ghost ministry between Jesus Christ and other people around him and Pharaoh if possible. Church. Sir, it's not available. Are you serious? Okay. Check for the Church of Mosque. Sir, it's available. Okay, give me Church of Mosque. It's okay. Thank you very much. God bless you and good night.